This orchid is as beautiful and romantic as its name is. Gorgeously colored in deep purple-pink tones, this native orchid gives off a lovely sweet fragrance, reflecting its beauty. The presence of therapeutic orchids in the fragrance composition are mainly to reap its soothing and calming properties. But do you know that these orchids come with an abundance of medicinal and herbal usage as well? Mainly found in China, the usage of this orchid ranges from helping to nourish the stomach, protects our kidneys, to promoting the production of body fluids. It also works well for treatment of fever and hot flushes as well. An antipyretic plant, this orchid diminishes inflammation, improves blood flow, and removes gas. On top of that, it can be used to fight against malaria, sore throat, and backaches. To enhance fragrance complexity, we have included other ingredients such as sandalwood, teak, and fresh-cut grass, to name a few. Extremely versatile, sandalwood complements and blends well with many other fragrance ingredients, making it an immensely popular ingredient. It has a soft, warm, and sweetly creamy scent, and is found as a base note in almost 50% of female fragrances. The value of sandalwood goes beyond its uses in perfumery. It is used traditionally in alternative medicine to treat a variety of health conditions. Psychologically, this essential oil has powerful calming, sedative properties, and can help alleviate anxieties and stress, improving quality of sleep. Nothing says summer more than the scent of fresh-cut grass. Invigorating and calming, this scent is evocative of the fun and laughter playing in the fields, along with a huge dose of sunshine. The addition of grassy notes uplifts the overall fragrance composition in an otherwise heavy woody mix. Classic, elegant, and refined, this is a scent that is easy to wear all day, yet very long-lasting and aromatic.